Hi, this is Ken Lau. Thank you for learning with us. Well, in these questions, please show only Southeast Asia country data. So there are lists of data here. How can we show only Southeast Asia? Well, go to Google. You can find out the list that Indonesia is one of the country, Philippines is one of the countries, so we know that this is Indonesia. So let's come back to this. So what we do is that we basically put the cursor right on the header. Now this row is called the header of the table. Now I go up there, choose sort. Sorry, yes, and then choose filter. Now if you notice there is a shortcut to use Control Shift L. Okay, so let's click on the filter. Okay, so you can also remove the filter by pressing Ctrl Shift L. See, Ctrl Shift L on that row, and after that, go to the country name. Click on this small button, and then we will start selecting and check everything. But we will first start with Indonesia. Okay, so we have these two, right? So I don't want this all. I just want this. And this is important, add current selection to filter. Okay, if you uncheck that, let's say the next country is Philippines. So you see that Philippines. Okay, we have this Philippines. We uncheck this, click OK. We have Philippines, but Indonesia will gone. So what happened is that if you choose search another one, Indonesia, okay, and you also check on add current, uncheck all, add current selection to filters. So I have Indonesia together with the Philippines. Click OK. Now we have Indonesia and Philippines. Now what's this next country? Vietnam. Okay, let's go back here. Click on this. Again, we type Vietnam. There are, we have that. So remember to add the current selection to filter. Then you have three. The next country is Thailand, Myanmar. So why don't we just copy all this data? Copy it, Control C, come over here, right click. Oh, can't really do that because of the copying. You can only, if you encounter that questions, you can actually use the Power Query to help out. Let's just try again. See if it works. Okay. Okay, now it works. Okay, let's just try that. Okay, so we have done with this first country, right? So I just put there one, two, hide both, and over here double click. Doesn't send it out. Okay, or maybe it's just that I forgot to highlight this both numbers and double click. Okay. Oh, that's strange, yeah. Um. Okay, in that case, we don't use this. Okay, that usually it works. Okay, let's just have Indonesia. Vietnam we're done. Then Thailand and Malaysia. Okay, let's add another one. So there's a search box here. You can type Thailand. Okay, again add to current selections. Thailand. Click OK. Where we have Myanmar, Malaysia. Myanmar. Okay, add to current selections. Malaysia. Add to current selections. And we have Cambodia. Okay, so uncheck this, add to current selections. Then we have Laos. Okay, so Laos has no camatch, so in this country cannot. So we just type Singapore. Yeah, we add to selections. And Timor. Where Once we add the selections, Brunei, add to selections and click OK. Oh, seems that we do a wrong method, right? So Thailand must enter. Hmm, let's just try again. Yeah, Indonesia, add to current selections and click OK. I think we need to add that. We need to press enter for everyone. Still better than okay, click OK. Myanmar, okay, add to current selections, click OK. So you can see we have a list of them already. Indonesia, add to current selections. Okay, we have four. We remains having that. And Indonesia, Philippines. Okay, uncheck all. Add this. Add to current selections. So we have done with Indonesia, Myanmar, Philippines, Thailand, Vietnam, yes, Myanmar, Malaysia, okay, Malaysia, okay, add to current selections, click OK, um, Cambodia, yeah, add to current selections, click OK. So we have four, right? Let's just do some more. Laos, we know that there is no such thing, so we just type continue. Add to current selections, click OK. Let's do one more. Almost done. Timor, we done. Brunei. Okay, add to current selections, click OK. So how many countries we have? We highlight them. You don't need to check this. You can actually go to the bottom here. There's a 9 country. And how many country we have in this Southeast Asia? We have 11. So there are two. What's missing? Let's see. Pretty hard, huh? So I can just copy this here. And over here, we take a. We can do a sorting here. Maybe we do a sorting. Sorting A to Z. We also do a sorting here. Sorting A to Z. Okay, so what it means is that they need to consider the population here. So we click yes, expanding. So this row will follow the order in this by alphabet. So we have Brunei, Cambodia, Indonesia, Malaysia. Laos not there. Okay, understand. Myanmar, Singapore, Thailand, Vietnam, Timor is not there. Okay, so we click on this and click on Timor. Add to current selections and click OK. Now we have completed, and then we should tell the users that the Laos, the manager that Laos data is missing. Okay, so to make it notice easier, we can change the font color. Just click on this, pick a color that you think is appropriate. I will use the red color. Just choose the red color here. So you can see that Laos data is missing. If you want more, you can also change the background to yellow. In that case, that uh, it's done. So I just gone through with you how to use the auto filter and to pick out the nations. So I would like to look at my particular country. So I will just shift spacebar to highlight that, and I look at the country. How's the growth like? So recent years until 2016. So between BG to BH, is it A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I? Yeah, it's correct. So from 2015. So 3 million, 3 million. So I'm interested to know what is this list about. So I can highlight that, this whole country. Okay, I can highlight this whole country. Copy, copy to another new worksheet. then the title. Okay, now I want to highlight this until the end. What you can do is that instead of dragging, you use Control Shift N. Sorry, Control Shift right should be Control Home, Control Shift right key. See, it's highlighted until the end. Copy and go back to here and right click, paste it as value. Yeah, again right click, paste it as value. That's it. So if you see this sign, no problem. We can just highlight all of them and double click. That's it. That's the data. Now what we can do is that I do not need this column, so I can just highlight these two column. Uh, Maybe I'll just put this up so people know that this population. The Hadi country is not needed. And I move this over here. This one, click, move over here. I also want to insert a column, so row. Right click here and choose insert. Okay, basically we have this data here, and according to the data, so I will just, because I want to select this particular range, I can use Control A to highlight this, only this data. Okay, 2020 is not needed. Again, Control A, I'm highlighting the entire data list, you see. So only this current agent. So if I have some data here, there's non-adjacent, that means they are not stick together. It doesn't matter, you see. You Control A, it only highlight this. It does not include this because it's separated by a blank line. So you can put there notes, for example. Okay, so now what we will do is that we're ready to do a line chart. So insert and then go to recommended chart. So I would just use the trend, so I can click on insert the line chart. So I just choose this. Okay, so from 1960 we have a million, and we now statement 2014. Okay, we should have more data 2016. Okay, now that's strange, right? Let's look at it. 2014, 2014. There's a missing 2015. I'll find out what is this. But you can see the trends over the years is increasing. Now we have the latest data for Malaysia is 22,000. Let's just copy this and put it here. The latest data is 2020, so I just change it to 2020 and pack the data here, right click, paste as value. Yeah, so I'll click on this chart. It doesn't include the one, so what you do is just drag this up here. This data is not right because this is the entire population of Malaysia, but here the population is only between age 0 to 14. So if you want to do it graphically, you can just insert an icon. Let me just type man, maybe. Okay, so maybe this one would be good. You go and then click insert. No, that's not right. That's like a couple. So in fact, we want man. Let's see which one is correct. Yeah, maybe this one will be good. Okay, we have very much. So click insert. Okay. So we can insert one more row. So icon is good because it's easier to read. Okay. So this is the populations ages 0 to 14 male. Okay. Um. Okay. So I have this text box, and I have this word exactly the same. But now, what if I say I want to change it to, instead of dash, I want to change it to two. Notice that this text does not change according to this text here. So a better way is actually linked to this cell. So how do we do that? Is that we press the F2 key. Let's just do it again, yeah. So you go to Insert tab, choose text box. Okay, just click a text box, and then click somewhere here. Now at this point, you're supposed to type something, but at this point, we press the F2 key, and then press the, it goes to this formula line, and then click equal, and then now I click on this populations, C2, and enter. So now I have a data that the wording that's exactly here, okay, population ages. So I can also add Malaysia population, okay. So you can see that this data change, the icon has changed, the word has changed, right? So it's easier to read this. Indicator name is not needed. I just select the cell and press delete key. Yes, that's all about it, right? I hope you learned something useful. In this video, we learn how to do a auto filter by pressing Ctrl Shift L. Yes, Ctrl Shift L again. You can do a filter. But notice that it removed the data. So what if I want to undo it? I can press Ctrl Z. Ctrl Z. Ah, my data. So because it's two action before that, I can use Ctrl Z. Ctrl Z has a similar feature such as this. Here, right, this button here is also undo. And then we also do a sorting. Based on the list of country, we do a sorting by selecting this and then choose A to Z. We can also sort based on the populations. Okay, so highlight this list here. Okay, to sort. Now what this has changed to sort largest to smallest. So I just check on this. Again, same thing, right? Expand the selections based on the, it will move the other column that it enters into them. Sort A to Z. So it's Indonesia, Philippines, and Malaysia, right? Sixth country for in terms of populations age 0 to 14 male. That's it. Thanks for watching.